I'm Ed from Uckfield Motor Services, and I'm here today with Professional Motor Mechanic magazine to review the Ring SmartCharge Pro battery charger. If you're enjoying the content we're putting out at the moment, then please subscribe to the Professional Motor Mechanic YouTube channel for all the latest content. Right, let's get into the workshop and have a look at the charger. Right, before we get it plugged onto the vehicle, I thought I'd run through the features quickly with you. First things first, as you can see, it's really portable. It only weighs 6.5 kilos, so it's good to get around the workshop. It's got a battery reconditioning function on there, so if the battery's completely dead, it can recondition the battery for you. It's got a rapid charging function, so it can quickly charge the battery up as well. It's also got like a voltage stabilizer on it, so you can keep the voltage really stable when you're doing any sort of diagonal programming on the vehicle. As we all know, you need to have a stable voltage when doing software updates, etc. It also does alternator and battery tests, which is really good. So if you've got it plugged in, you're not sure the battery's good or the alternator's charging, you can carry that out. Also does cars, motorcycles, vans, HGVs, even does boats. Even that's not really too relevant to us lot, but yeah, it does pretty much everything we need it to. Right, so we've got this Ford plumbed into the charger now. So I'm going to quickly run through some of the features. So first things first, it's really easy to use. There's literally 4 buttons. So you've got mode, which changes all the various things you can do on it, and then the arrow buttons and the enter button. So it's pretty simple. First, we've got set it on charge. This is just a normal standard charge, but it goes through a 9-stage process, which includes the battery test and the battery reconditioning if needed. So you can change literally from 12 to 24 volts very easily, and it's got all the various different types of batteries. This has got a standard battery on it, so we don't have to worry too much, but you can do lithium-ion, AGM, EFB, wet batteries, gel batteries. It covers pretty much all bases. We've also changed the ampage on it, so we've got 5 amps on this at the moment, so you can do 10, 25, 50 amps if you really want to give it some welly to get the battery charged up. Also, while it's charging, it shows the battery percentage on it, so it can show you when it's fully charged or when it's getting near fully charged, which really helps. The other mode on it is the supply. We're talking about the kind of voltage stability, especially when doing the programming and software updates. It keeps a stable voltage, so you can set it on any voltage you want within 0.1 volts. So it's kind of standard, it's 14 volts, and it will keep it at that voltage. The other feature is the alternator test, which we're going to show you now. So to carry out the alternator test, we have to have the vehicle running, so we're going to go and turn it on now. And then with the vehicle running, all we have to do is just press the enter button on here, and it will say test result OK. So it's already seen that the voltage is correct from the alternator, so we know the alternator is all good on this vehicle. So we've had this battery charger in the workshop for a couple of months now, and it's our go-to battery charger. The reason is it's light and portable, so it's easy to carry around the workshop and take to the various vehicles. Most battery chargers are quite heavy and on trolleys. So the other thing I like about it is the fact that it does all the battery types. You know, all the cars that we have in the workshop these days, we have so many different battery types, be it AGM, EFB, standard. So this has got it all covered, all in one unit. We've really put the Ring charger for its paces the last couple of months. It's really stood the test of time in our workshop. It gets a bit beaten about, as most tools do in the workshop. The unit itself is really robust. Also, the cable's all really chunky, and the connectors into the back of it are very robust, as well as the connectors onto here. Most of the ones, the cheap ones you get, they seem to fray around here, but this one really hasn't. So yeah, I think this is really going to stand everything that we throw in the workshop. Also, it does the battery test while charging it, so you can see the state of health of the battery, which is really useful, and also the alternator test, and it's all in one unit. So yeah, it's our kind of go-to battery charger stroke tester at the moment. So you've seen it in action in the workshop. We've been using it for the last couple of months, and I cannot recommend enough the Ring Automotive SmartCharge Pro battery charger. If you want more information on it, please click on the link below. If you're liking the content, then please like and subscribe to the Professional Motor Mechanic YouTube channel. I'll catch you on the next video.